In the Turkish region of Cappadocia, hidden in the hollowed rocks, lie some of the oldest Christian churches in the world. The Jórím Open Air Museum is a cluster of monasteries and churches dating all the way back to the 4th century. 2.6 million years ago, a volcanic eruption of the nearby Mount Ershais resulted in the formation of mushroom-shaped fairy chimneys. Each church that makes up the Jórím Open Air Museum is housed within a separate soft rock cave. More than 10 churches make up the museum. Inside each church are wall paintings known as frescoes, examples of old classics from the Byzantine art period. These incredible paintings have managed to retain their clarity and colors throughout the years, thanks to frequent restorations. In 1984, the Jórím Open Air Museum became one of the first 2 sites in Turkey to be designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But it's the museum's extensive history and unique structures that have made it one of Cappadocia's most visited attractions.